Okay, sir.
Okay, students, so welcome back. Now today we will study square roots of a complex number. How to find the square root of a complex number? Like if A and B are real numbers, so A plus IB is complex number. So how to find its square root? For this, first of all, we will assume that it is equal to x plus iy. Its square root is x plus iy. Square root of a plus ib equals to x plus ib. Now to remove the square root, what we should do? What we should do to remove the square root?
Squaring both sides.
Squaring both sides. So this side square root will be removed. And in this side it becomes x plus iy whole square. It implies a plus ib equals to x square plus I square y square plus 2x into iy. It implies a plus ib equals to value of I square is -1. So it is x square minus y square plus I into 2xy. Now comparing the real part both sides, we get x square minus y square equals to a as one of the equation and 2xy equals to b as the second equation. And to find the values of x and y, remember, we will use one identity of algebra, which we have used in small classes. An algebraic identity, x square plus y square whole square minus x square minus y square whole square equals to 4x square.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
सर एक्चुअली योगिता को सर एंट्री नहीं मिल रही है.
So to find the square root of a complex number, first of all, like a plus ib is a complex number and we have to find a square root. So root a plus ib equals to considered as x plus iy. And then to remove the square root, we must square both sides. So a plus ib becomes equals to x plus iy whole square. And using a plus b whole square, it is x square plus I square y square plus 2x into iy. So a plus ib equals to value of I square is -1. So x square minus y square plus I into 2xy. Now comparing both sides, the real parts, a equals to x square minus y square is the first equation. Is that clear to you? And 2xy equals to b is the second equation. Now we will form one more equation using an algebraic identity, x square plus y square whole square minus x square minus y square whole square equals to 4x square y square. You can easily prove this identity also. We know that x square plus y square whole square equals to x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus 2x square y square. And x square minus y square whole square equals to x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 minus 2x square y square. And on subtracting, it will be cancelled. It will be written as x square plus y square whole square minus x square minus y square whole square equals to x to the power 4 cancelled out, y to the power 4 cancelled out. 2x square y square plus 2x square y square is 4x square y square. Is that clear to you? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Proving is not required. We will use only this identity at once. Okay? To find the value of x square plus y square whole square, which is obtained when we transfer this x square minus y square whole square to this side, and 4x square y square is already in this. Now this x square plus y square whole square will become x square minus y square is a square plus 4x square y square means 2xy whole square, that is b square. And taking a square root both sides, we write x square plus y square equals to square root of a square plus b square as equation number 3. Now first equation is x square minus y square equals to a, and third equation is x square plus y square equals to root a square plus b square. Now we add both the equations, so y square will be cancelled out. So it gives the value of 2x square. So we can easily find the value of x using this method. And then we substitute this value of x in equation number 2 to get the value of y also. So x plus iy, which is the square root a plus ib, will be our answer. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now let's
Yes, sir.
discuss it again, taking an example. Okay. So using an example, we will prove it now. Square root of 3 plus 4i. Okay. So what is the first step? Assume that root 3 plus 4i equals to x plus i.
X plus iy.
Then the next step,
Squaring both sides.
squaring both sides. So what we will get? This square root will be removed, and this side x plus iy whole square. It implies 3 plus 4i equals to x square plus I square y square plus 2x into iy. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
3 plus 4i equals to x square minus y square plus I into 2xy. So comparing real parts and imaginary parts both sides, x square minus y square equals to 3. Write this as equation number 1. And 2xy equals to 4. Write this as equation number 2. And the identity x square plus y square whole square equals to x square minus y square whole square plus 4x square y square. Using this identity, we will get x square plus y square whole square equals to value of x square minus y square is 3. So 3 square plus value of 4x square y square means 2xy whole square is 4 square. That is x square plus y square whole square equals to 25. It implies x square plus y square equals to 5, which is equation number 3. Now add equation 1 and 3. Adding equation 1 and 3. Equation 1 is x square minus y square equals to 3. Equation 3 is x square plus y square equals to 5. Adding both, x square plus x square, 2x square, y square cancelled out, equals to 8. It implies x square equals to 4. It implies x equals to plus minus 2. Is that clear to you? The main question,
Yes, sir.
why we have not taken plus minus 5 in this equation? Can you tell? We have taken the square root but not written plus minus 5. Do you know why?
Sir, as it is the square, x square,
X
plus
square
y
and y square both are positive. Sum of two positive number is always a positive number. But in this, x can be positive or negative both. So x equals to plus minus 2. Understood? Now using equation number 2, always the next one, y will using equation 2 only. Otherwise, it will also give the two equations, and which we have to check whether correct or not. So use equation 2 only. It will give the direct value of y. 2xy equals to 4. It implies 2 into case 1 when x equals to plus 2. 2 into y equals to 4. That is y equals to 1. So the answer is root 3 plus 4i equals to x plus iy. Value of x is plus 2 and value of y is 1. So 1i. Understood? And case 2, when x equals to -2, it will give y equals to -1 na. So under root 3 plus 4i will then become -2 minus I. If we take minus common, 2 plus I. So under root of 3 plus 4i equals to plus minus 2 plus I. Is that clear to you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Anyone has doubt?